So this is the high-speed camera we would be using. It is the Phantom V641 and it captures ultra-fast events like fluid splashes or wave impacts. In our case, it uses a CMOS sensor that records as very high frame rates from 6,300 frames per second to at full resolution and up to 1 million frame per second or FPS at reduced resolutions. It has a global shutter, which means every pixel is captured simultaneously. Perfect for capturing sharp images of fast motions without distortion. And also images can be stored temporarily in built-in high-speed camera RAM, or we call it as buffer, typically around 32, what I found from the internet, 32 GBs. So it is connected to the computer using this yellow wire, which ends with the Ethernet cable. I will show you in a minute. And this red one is a power cable. You can see there is we should check if the lights are blinking and on. The power is green, so the camera is on, and this yellow and green is when it is connected to the computer and when it is live mode. Side, this Phantom camera connects to the computer using high-speed Ethernet cable. We have the yellow cable. We have two options to connect it using 1 Gbps per second and also 10 GB per second. For now, I just connected it to the 1 GB per second port of this computer. No, I actually connected to the 10 Gbps port here, and 1 GB port is connected to the internet. But currently there is no internet connection in the lab. I don't know why. We will fix it later. And this is the PCC software. It is a proprietary software of this camera, Phantom camera. So it is currently in live mode, but it is you can see there's nothing on the screen actually because the lens is covered with a case that protects the lens when it's not being any use. So we have to first remove this covering and just open. Let the lens see the world, and you can see there is some flashes or changes in the footage. Yeah, it is black and white. You can see it is not exactly seeing like a normal camera, but it is actually, I don't know what is the frame rate. It is okay. Frame rate is placed at 1,200 frames per second, so that's why it is showing the images so slowly. And for experiments, according to our needs, we need to change the aperture and as the focus. We can change the aperture by this knob, not knob or like a circular something that rotates. Aperture means like how much the quantity of light it can capture. So more the opening, the brighter the image, or the brighter the image of the video it would be. But it depends on the flow visualization we want to capture. We have to adjust. Similarly, we can adjust the focus using this knob, this circular part. So it is actually bringing the lens towards us or away from it or from us. Like the image changed a bit because I repositioned the camera's lens, aperture, and the focus. So currently it is in live view. You can change the sample rate, exposure time, and other things according to your needs. To capture a video, you have to go to the capture mode and then trigger it. And then abort the recording. It will save the data video. It would be a very long processing time, so I'm not saving right now. But you can explore the software. There's a lot of things to explore actually. A lot of options at the top toolbar and the parameters. This is a sample recording we did using the high-speed camera. It is actually capturing a solitary wave we generated in the channel and capture using this high-speed camera. This captures very well, and we have to, I think for the next time we have to adjust the lighting or the aperture and the focus maybe, and according to the experiments we are going to do. So